Hi Year 3, it's Miss Fiddler. Today we're going to be having a look at how to find word classes in sentences. Starting with nouns. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Nouns are things that you can see. They are around you. You could be able to spot some nouns right now. Door is a noun. It's a thing. I can see it. Light switch is a noun. It's on the wall. I can see it. It's a thing. Miss Fiddler is a proper noun because it's my name. These are all things we can see. Cardigan is a noun, necklace is a noun, phone is a noun, hair is a noun, socks is a noun, mirror is a noun. These are all nouns because they're things you can see. Adjectives have a really important job because an adjective is a word that describes a noun, gives the noun more detail. So in this video with me, we've already found the nouns, so let's give those nouns some adjectives to describe them. Instead of cardigan, it's a grey, woolly cardigan. Instead of necklace, it's a silver necklace. A white phone. Short, brown hair instead of just hair. White socks instead of just socks, giving them more description. A big, white mirror instead of just a mirror. When I was saying my adjectives, I was putting a comma in between my adjectives, just so we remember that when we're writing using adjectives, if I use more than one, I have to put a comma in between them. It's very important. Verbs are doing or action words, and this includes states of being, so to be happy or to be sad, and to have, so to have a shower. As you can see here, I'm doing my daily exercise and I'm doing the verb walking. The verb I'm doing here is waving. Now the verb that I'm doing is skipping. Probably got a lot of weird looks for this. The verb I'm doing here is tapping. And the verb you can see me doing here is hopping. And finally, looking at adverbs, an adverb is a word that describes a verb or an adjective. Adverbs literally add to the verb. They give the verb more detail. They can also add to adjectives by giving an amount of the adjective. So instead of long hair, we can add the adverb very to be very long hair. You can see me doing the verb to walk here, but what if I added the adverb quickly? Now I'm walking quickly. It changes the way the verb is being done. But now I'm changing the adverb to slowly, so I'm walking slowly. The way the verb is being done is changed. And what if I change that now to carefully? So I'm walking carefully. The way the verb is being done has changed depending on the adverb. So now we've had a little reminder of what these different word classes are, we're now going to have a practice about how to find them in a sentence. She carefully put the cup down on the yellow coaster. So in this sentence, let's start by looking for the nouns, because if we find the nouns, it will help us find the adjectives. Now, I know that nouns are people, places or things, and in this sentence, the things that I could see was the cup and the coaster. So now that I've found those nouns, it's easier to find the adjectives because the adjectives describe the nouns. In this sentence, the noun cup doesn't have any adjectives, doesn't have anything describing what the cup is like, but coaster is described as yellow, so yellow is an adjective in this sentence. The verb in this sentence, the doing word, is put because that's what I'm doing. I have put the cup and then down and on are the prepositions. That's where I've put it, but the verb, the doing, is to put. Now that we've identified the verb put, we can see if there's any adverbs describing how that verb is being done. In this sentence there is. It is carefully. That is describing how the verb was done. It was done carefully. So in this sentence we have two nouns, which is cup and coaster. We have one adjective, which is yellow, that describes the noun, the coaster. We have one verb, which is put, and we have one adverb, which is carefully. I'll go now at finding these word classes in the sentences on your home learning sheet, and have a good rest of your day, guys. Bye!